Fine and dry weather starts off the work week across the country with lots of sunshine across South Africa on Monday. We're still expecting a bit of cloud and cool weather for the Western Cape, as well as a bit of cloud moving in over the far northeastern interior. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day with a dry forecast across South Africa, which also means dry roads on your way to work this morning. Here's our maximum temperature map with a warm day for Uppington and Mahikeng, both with maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-20s, 22 degrees for Bloemfontein, Bishu and East London, with a mild Monday for Johannesburg and Polokwane at 21 degrees, with Pretoria, Pietermaritzburg and Kimberley all topping 23, but with a warm day along the KZN coast, with Durban and Richards Bay at 24 and 25. We're expecting a mostly cloudy and cool day for Bombela at 18 degrees, with George and Cape Town expecting that same maximum temperature. Now it'll be a good beach day along South Africa's coastline with light to moderate winds and dry conditions in the forecast. For Namaqualand and Alexander Bay, we're expecting a southerly to southeasterly wind of between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour, with a light southerly wind for Langebaan. And along the west coast, we still have quite a large swell of 4.5 meters from the southwest, with wave heights between 6 and 7 feet. We're expecting high tide just before 20 to 4 in the afternoon along the southwest coast, with a light to moderate northwesterly wind for Cape Town, with a fresh northwesterly wind as we head into Cape Agulhas. And along the southwest coast, we're expecting a 4-meter swell with wave heights between 5 and 7 feet. Light and variable winds are expected along the south coast, and they start off as a light northwesterly wind between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, more of a moderate northerly wind for Port Elizabeth, all turning to the southeast in the afternoon. And along the south coast, we're expecting a 3.5-meter swell with wave heights between 4 and 6 feet. Along the east coast, we're expecting warm weather on Monday with a 25 kilometer per hour northeasterly wind for Durban and the Wild Coast, a fresh wind for Richards Bay and a light northerly flow for East London with a 2-meter southeasterly swell and wave heights between 3 and 4 feet.
News that moves. eNCA.com.